Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer denoised audio into DaVinci Resolve, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your audio file ready for transfer. Open your audio denoising software and locate the cleaned audio file. Make sure to export the file in a compatible format, such as WAV or AIFF. Choose the export destination on your computer for easy access later. Once the export is complete, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to import the audio. Navigate to the Edit tab located at the bottom of the interface. In the Media Pool window, right-click and select Import Media. Browse to the location where you saved the denoised audio file. Select the file and click Open to import it into DaVinci Resolve. The audio file will now appear in the Media Pool. Drag the denoised audio clip onto your timeline. Ensure it aligns correctly with your video content. You can play back the timeline to verify the audio quality. If needed, adjust the levels using the audio mixer panel. Make sure to save your project frequently as you work. Once satisfied with the audio placement, proceed with your editing process. Export the final project when you are ready to share your work. This process enhances your overall audio quality for a professional finish. Enjoy your newly denoised audio in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.